Sabi dito ni Christian Banyes 1234, always nakasubaybay ako sa'yo and so thankful na nakita kita dito sa TikTok. Ang laking papel mo kaya nabago ang perception ko sa buhay and ang laking tulong mo rin talaga kasi Paul sa yung course ko. Maraming salamat sa heartfelt message na yon, and let me tell you a short story of Desmond Doss. Now, here is Desmond Doss. Isa siyang sundalo doon nung panahon ng World War II against the Japanese front. Now, ang nakakamangha dito is that he refused to carry a gun because it's against his belief to kill other people. So, sinong hindi ko alam, siya lang talaga yung naisip ko na ayaw niyang kumuha ng barel para lang maipagtanggol niya yung sarili niya during a time of war. Kaya ko siya na-brought up is dahil doon sa movie, nung tinatry niyang iligtas yung mga kasama niya at sobrang exhausted na siya, yung mantra na nire-recite niya habang ginagawa niya yung imposible is, please God, let me have one or another one. Whew. Paulit-ulit niyang ginawa yun until such he have done the impossible. Now, as we, the older generation, starts passing the fire, the knowledge, the things that we discovered during our lifetime towards the next generation, what I'm hoping is for us to retain the values nung mga nauna sa atin, dahil yung values na natuklasan or nakita nila nung mga panahon nila actually cost them their whole life. So, to pay homage for them doon sa mga nauna, I think the best thing that we could do is to honor them by enriching yung values na ipinasa sa amin at ipinapasa na rin namin sa inyo. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.